Want to erase all your check-ins on Facebook easily? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to delete all check-ins on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Now go to Activity Log. Tap on your Facebook activity at the top. Tap on Manage Posts. Tap on Filters at the top. Tap on Categories. Then on Check-ins. You can view all your check-ins here, but I don't have check-ins right now. But what you can do instead is select the ones you would like to delete, then either tap on Delete to permanently delete or Archive if you feel like you would want to restore it later within 30 days, which are situated at the top. And that is how you delete all check-ins on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.